Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. Well, it's going to be a great morning because I'm out here flying the E-Flite UMX Twin Otter. Now, I have the larger version of this and I really love it. You can see a picture of it here. I usually fly that in the summer, not really in the winter. But this little guy is a plane you can take out all year long and fly it whenever you wish because it doesn't matter if there's snow on the ground. As you can see here, I just throw it, just hand launch it. It goes really well. Or if you can find some hard snow or flat ground, of course in the summertime you have your normal grass or pavement, well then it takes off really nice. It's actually considered a STOL plane, short takeoff and land, and it really works well. So one of the interesting things about this is it runs on a 1S battery, just 1S. So I fly it on an 800 milliamp hour 1S and I get about 5 minutes of flight. Two brushless motors up front, which are quite powerful. You're gonna see it really hauls some butt when it's flying. The other cool thing about it is at the back, you see this rudder at the back on the tail? It doesn't work, it just stays still. So what it uses instead is differential thrust. So if I wanna go to, let's say I wanna go to the right, well then the left motor just spins up faster, and if I want to go to the left, the right motor spins up faster and just pulls you in that direction. And it works really well. It's quite amazing how well this flies. You could like spin around on a dime, it's so good. If you're a pilot of a plane and you don't have this, you're probably thinking right now, well, it doesn't seem too awesome, but when you fly it, it's pretty darn awesome. So I'm gonna take it for a flight now and show you everything about it. And if it sounds like I'm not enunciating my words well enough this morning, it's because my mouth is frozen. It's only minus 10 degrees Celsius out and the sun is shining, but there's a bit of a wind, so it makes it feel much colder. And I've been out here already for about an hour this morning flying other planes, so I'm kind of frozen. But I'm all happy to fly this right now for you guys, so here we go. Now, one thing I should mention for the newbies out there who don't fly RC planes, well, there's a receiver in here because this is a bind and fly model. Bind and fly means there's a receiver in it, and all you have to do is take whatever radio you own and bind it to the receiver, as long as your radio is compatible. This has a Spectrum receiver in it, so you have to use a Spectrum radio for the most part. So I'll put a link below to Spectrum radios that you can get that will bind with this nicely. I've got a pile of batteries in my pocket here, so let me pull them out. They're very tiny. I don't know if you can see that in the GoPro. Very tiny. I'm using 800 milliamp hour 1S batteries. You can use 500 milliamp hour, but if you want 5 minutes or more flight time, use the 800. So the forward section is magnetically held in place. Take that off and your battery connects with a little JST connector right there. Put the battery inside. Don't even worry about the center of gravity because this thing seems to fly no matter where I put the battery. It flies well, and go fly. So as soon as I connect the battery, this thing is going to then do its little gyro calibration and all the other goodies, make some sound, and it should set itself up. Come on, you can do it. And there we go. She's all set up. She's ready to fly. All right, put that on and let's go fly. All right, so before we fly, I'm just going to check my ailerons. You can see them moving here. There we go. And I have my elevator. There it is, going up and down. I also have, since I'm Captain Drone and this is a drone channel, over there I also have the Mini 3 Pro. It's circling me, so it's getting some flight footage of me about to fly this baby. Matter of fact, I'm going to throw this at the Mini 3 Pro. So if I flick my arm switch, I can start the motors. And Mini 3 Pro, here we come. There we go. Right around it. Look at how beautiful that is. Look at that, just coming around here. Look at this, right back at us. Oh, this is a gorgeous plane. I tell you guys, if you don't have one of these and you fly RC planes, you have to get one. They're so incredible. Where's that Mini 3? Watch me hit it. Anyways, come back this way. I'll bring it around the Mini 3. Look at this, I could carve a corner so tight. It is such an incredible plane to fly. And the fact that it's a twin prop plane means you have a ton of authority in your flight patterns, whatever you want to do. But if you just want to cruise around nice like I'm doing here, I'm keeping it really close to me, right over the Mini. There we go. Keeping it close to me and just flying around here. It is gorgeous. It is gorgeous, especially out with the sun. Looks awesome. Take it up over there, so we go over the Mini. You know, there's the Mini right there. I'm just gonna do circles around the Mini. Go like this. Hey Mini, see this plane coming around you? I know every time I go behind the Mini, you can't see it, but there we go. It's pretty sweet. And I can bring it between myself and the camera over here. So let's go this way and then bring it back. And come right by me, right here. Oop, that was a little too close to the camera. I thought I had more separation between the camera. Here, I'll bring it over to the GoPro. There's a GoPro out in the field out there. So I'm gonna whip it around this way, bring it low, right over the Mini. There we are. And then down towards the GoPro. Whoa! Such an awesome, awesome plane. And if you want to do flips and rolls and stuff like that, you can. So to do flips and rolls, of course I got to keep it up because they always say, keep your plane 3 mistakes high. So if I want to do flips and rolls, I'm just going to slow it down for you a little bit, and I'm going to put in my second mode, flight mode 2. There we go, I'm in manual, and now I can do little rolls. Oh, it's cold out here, cold out here. I just landed this in the snow. Time out, time out, time out. I had to end that portion of the video because I was freezing cold, so I just landed this baby and went home. But I'm back out here today on a much milder day, but it's overcast and dull, not very nice. But I wanted to show you the floats. I wanted to show you in the last portion of the video, but I was too cold. So the floats are an optional kit that you can get for the Twin Otter as well as other planes on the market. With the floats, you can obviously take off and land on water as well as take off and land on snow. All right, Twin Otter is down there. I will arm the motors. I'm just going to make sure everything works. Ailerons, yes. Motors work. The snow is very strange. It's like wet, sticky, hard snow. So I don't know if those little floats are going to stick to it. This might be a bad idea bringing it out on floats, but here we go. There we go. I was kind of worried that it wouldn't get up. All right, so there she is with the floats on it. Looks pretty good. That's all I wanted to show you, is you can get floats on it if you have to fly it out in the snow. There we are. It's a cool looking plane no matter what. There's wind out today, so this is it flying in the wind. I'm going right into the wind here. Whoa! Get out of the way. Oh! So it goes into the wind nicely, and let's see, how does it land here? There we go, nice. Can I push it along? It's really sticky, look at that, it's just sticking to the snow, and I've got the motors on. Oh, there we go, she goes. All right. This is the box the Twin Otter comes in. Opening the box, you'll notice that the Twin Otter is already fully assembled. The instruction booklet is hidden on the back of the packing material. Ailerons and elevator are fully functional and perfectly designed for freestyle flight. As can be seen, there are several indicator lights on the plane, along the front of the wing, the ends of the wing, and on the tail top. So that's it. That's my review of the Twin Otter. It's pretty awesome. You can get the float set if you have to fly in the summertime on water or on snow. It's really cool. So links to this product are below. Hope you enjoyed this video. I'll come over to the camera. Hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. And if you want to see more reviews like this and other cool products, then hit that subscribe button. So I will catch you in a future video with many cool products on a much more sunnier day, of course. Till then, I say bye.